to my channel. So now we want to construct a hexagon, a six-sided polygon using general method when we are given diameter of the circle. And what I'm trying to explain here is that we can avoid the use of compass to make arcs on the circle because sometimes it does give an error. So that's what we want to avoid, and that's what I'm going to show you here, how you can draw the polygon without repeating the use of compass to do it. So let's start. So we are still making use of diameter 70 for the circle. So what we need to do is to take 35 millimeters, which is the radius of the circle. So we take 35 millimeters on our ruler. So this is 35 millimeters with this compass. So I put at this point here on the paper, and I will draw a circle like this. Okay. So now, so with this circle that I've drawn, so we are going to draw horizontal line through the center of the circle. Draw horizontal line through the center of the circle, and then since we are constructing a six-sided polygon, we are going to draw a line here like this, and I will make 6 points on this line. So here we have, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6 here. So we join the last division with the end of the diameter, so like this, and then we take our set square, setting it here on this ruler like this, and so we move to the next point. So we draw a line like this. So we move to the next point. All these lines are parallel to each other. So we draw this line, and we come to this point. So we draw a line like this. So move to the next point, and we draw, and to the last point here we draw. Okay. Now, having done this, we are going to number this point. So I will call this point. This is point 0. So this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, so this is point 3, this is point 4, this is 5, and this is point 6 here. Now, with what we have done here, so the next that I'm going to do is that I will take my compass, putting the pinpoint at point O here, and extending to this point 6 here. Okay, so here I will draw an arc up, and I will draw it from this point down. Okay, so then I will put the point of my compass again with the same radius, putting it at point 6 here. I will draw an arc from here to here, and I will also draw it down. Okay, so this point now, I will call this point, this is point P, and I will call this point, this is point Q. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that, so from point P, I will draw a line passing through point 2. I will draw a line passing through point 2, so it goes like this. Okay, so meeting the circle at this point. Then I will draw a line from point P again, so passing through point 4. Passing through point 4. So I will draw it from point P, passing through point 4, like this. Okay, meeting the circle at this point. Then from point P again, I will draw a line passing through point 6. I will draw a line passing through point 6. So this is it. Okay, so meeting the circle at this point, exactly at this point. So look at what we have here. So again, so before I go on, so we are going to draw a line from Q, from point Q, so passing through point 2. So this is it. And then we draw again, so from Q passing through point 4, passing through point 4. So this is it. Okay, so passing through point 4 is it. So meeting the circle at this point. So do I need to draw from Q again? passing through point 6. If I draw it, it will end here. This is where it's going to end. If I draw it, so look at it. If I draw it passing through point 6 from here, like this, so it's going to end at this point. So I don't have to do that, or if you do it, you still see it ending here. As when we draw from point P, so it passed through this point. If you look at it, when I draw from it, pass through it, meet the circle at this point. So when I draw from point Q here, passing through point 4, it meet this line here. Okay, so which means that distance from here to here is a side, distance from here to here is a side of the polygon. So let's label the point. So this point here is point A. There's a point here, so it's point A. So this is point B, and this point here. So this point here, this is point C, and this point here is point D. This point here is point E, and this point here is point F. So for C-sided. So when I join together, so just look at it. When I join the point together, so we join A and B together. So then we join B and C together. B and C, we join them together like this. Then we join CD together. We join CD together, and then we join DE together like this. Okay. Then we join EF together. EF, we join them together like this, and then we join FA together. So FA, we join them together like this. So it gives us a C-sided polygon. So this method is better than using the arcs repeatedly. And I'm not saying the other method is not okay. So it's okay. So you can use it, and you can also use this method, but I prefer using this method. Thank you, and let's meet on that of the 7-sided polygon. God bless you.